So,
so that if I get any doubt, I will go back and I will see the video.
yeah, right. So, what you can get the I am running only app.js, but
Okay.
I am getting the scope of the grid also, which through the require
Okay.
parameter. Require parameter will import your uh, other JS file, and it will give the properties of that file to your current file wherever you are calling. Likewise, you can get the scope of you can export a file. You can build this is the way of building the module. This is the module actually. Okay.
Oh, okay.
This is what we
Uh,
do.
so one more doubt is there anything called provide as well, like require?
No provide, only require.
Only require. Okay.
I didn't see any provide.
Because
Provide
in
is
JavaScript,
no, there is no provide. Provide, but where is the provide?
no, I
Uh,
know like require in JavaScript there is something called provide also, right? In jQuery. So
uh,
like similar to that, in this also do we have provide like require?
no, we have a require parameter. I never saw any provide parameter in JS JavaScript.
Oh, okay.
Mm,
Okay. Okay.
Suppose if you want to, if I am writing one more function for your better understanding, I am going for one more function.
Okay.
I am using some EMP here. Then I am going for one function. I want to console log. I'm just giving one console log. And I'm giving some data to get it.
Okay.
So that is you might do. Okay. So with this, I want to call this function. Can I call here?
Yes, sir. You can call. I think it's not saved there.
One second. Wait.
No, their employee might not be saved. The function which you create.
Oh, so I'm going to run this application. Where?
Yes, sir.
Great. that is what I will do. I will take one more file. One more file here. Choose. And I will be finished. You folder. Yeah, to do this one. It's like I have export module export. And I'm going to export this one. It's like how. So I'm going to call this. What I should require here? EMP. Okay.
Okay.
You are getting it right.
Yeah, I'm getting it. Okay, greeting.
So from here I am going to get this EMP and then I am calling EMP file. So now if I go and I can find the number and this one.
Okay.
Also in.
Okay.
Suppose if I am calling a EMP1, I know that file is not
It will not
working.
work. Yeah.
It won't get it. So because there is no will tell from other like
Okay.
yeah EMP is not defined. Okay. So and let us think I have given here wrong EMP path. Okay. Now what will happen is
Okay.
can't find module EMP2
EMP2. Okay.
and likewise you want to create one module and you want to
Okay.
export that module and you have to require and get the properties to the other file and you can use appropriately means accordingly means whatever
Okay.
whenever the key you require a case yeah, you have to follow that you have to follow the
Okay. But why it is called module dot exports? Why
module
exports?
module is a
Module.
parameter is a keyword
Okay.
system defined keyword.
Keyword. Okay. Why? What does it do? What is the function of that keyword module? Means in Java perspective, module basically means
Yeah,
just like
module is
package.
yeah it's a package. It's a package like of total like package of bundle of statements. It's a package of
Oh,
bundle
okay.
of
Okay. So
yeah. It is exporting
oh,
all
okay.
it is exporting all this bundle of statements. But it should
Okay.
you should tell that like what you are going to export so that we are going to
Okay.
export a greet function whatever we are having there. That function whatever state we are going to export we are going to export. We are basically making the RAM to make the chunks of code. Suppose if I run here only, I have here suppose two programs. One is EMP.js, other one is Read.js. But I just make a require and I am calling only Read.js. Let us think. I am not calling this EMP.js. Though
Okay.
so only one time only one program execution will happen but this one is it will cache actually. It will make it will hide the other operation. Because only one operation is happening here. It is
Okay.
not though it is like a way of uh, asynchronous switching means it's a way of like the modules whenever necessary they are called, otherwise they are not called means definitely it is useful for the RAM while it is executing. CPU time will save.
Okay. Okay. So module dot is like for this only
Exports.
for this example, we are using module dot export. For other examples, we can use module dot something else, right?
Modules is having many, but we
Oh.
are yeah we are most of the time we are using exports.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
and we are it has many. We are using for since the Node.js is a model-based platform. It's a module-based application. It's totally depend upon the modules what we create and then we take and execute. Because of that
Okay.
purpose, we are making every program into one module and we are using it accordingly.
Okay.
Yeah, that's about this thing. And just one small example how to create a module. I will jump into the one more section. Like I think you know how to create a JavaScript object. Are you aware?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So it's like see, this program. So in this program, I have given a one variable person, and I am giving the properties. I just started the object here with the curly braces. Object started. And I am giving the property here first name as John, last name as Doyle, otherwise just name as like given. So, um, so I am giving you two properties. I just want to call this function. I see here. I have one more property here. It's a function. These two are just properties only. Okay, but
Okay.
these are the property. But this is a
Okay.
function. Okay,
It's a function.
I want to call the greet function, which is there inside person object.
Okay.
Okay. So how can I call this means person dot greet? Person dot greet
Okay.
you will be getting the output like this. Hello, this dot first name, this dot last name. Okay.
Okay.
So it's suppose if you want to call an individual property, it's like person, and you have to give the square bracket, and you have to give the single quotation first name. Likewise, you have to give console.log person. I just telling you because uh, this is like a basic only. If you are
Yes,
this,
okay.
yeah, if you forget or something, I'm just storing it.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So here, like now I'm going to give node space at the chase. So I can able to see here, hello, Dasrath and Ram and Dasrath, and then the first name as Ram and last name as Dasrath. So
Okay.
you can segregate this one like this also. First name Ama. Okay, also last name Ama. So likewise, likewise you can. See, now I am going to run this application again. I'm going to file again. So first name and last name you can able to. Okay. So this is how
Okay.
you can access a object and its literals. I can able to access the object and its properties.
Properties.
And also you can also define a function inside an object with the appropriate names or something. Then you can able to call that function also from the object. Okay.
Okay.
I just this is one small program how to access the object.
Okay.
Mm, understood with that program.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So one more is also like let's see what. So this is one more example like we can require already we saw this one in the next previous one, right? So I have taken here two files actually. One file is like which is like where greeting require greeting.json. Okay. And one more of the file I am going to I am going to start one variable with which is like a function. I am going to get greetings.en.
Okay.
Here en in the sense the which is available here in the greetings. First, I will come to the flow from the greetings actually. You understand? See, greetings dot json.
Okay.
It's having some data now. Okay, I want to call this data to my node. This is a JSON file. Okay.
Okay.
So one is like English, other one is Spanish.
Okay.
One property is English property, other property is Spanish property.
Fine.
Both
Okay.
are different properties, but they should be
Okay.
coming to the different files actually. This is
Okay. So you're sending
I
this as a request, sir.
yeah
What are you doing?
yeah I'm going to call these properties in different modules, and I am going to
Okay.
import them with require, and I want to execute. That is my motto.
Okay.
Okay. So the thing is, first I started one JSON like en property as en means English property as
English.
hello hello es Spanish like hola. Okay. So in this English.js, I am going to require the JSON greetings JSON.
JSON.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is just a variable. This is not a predefined one. What you require is a
Okay.
predefined keyword here. Require is predefined keyword of node. Okay.
Good.
So
Okay.
here function as you already know function, and where are the predefined keywords. Greet is a user
Keyword.
defined. Okay. So I just want to export this one. I just started one greet function, and I am going to give greetings.en. So what this will
Okay.
call? This will call the hello, right?
Okay.
This will call
Okay. Hello.
hello in greetings.
Greetings. Yes.
Yes, sir. Right. So
Yes. Yes.
yeah. Now I am going to export this greet. Whatever the greet is there,
Okay.
I am going to export, and I should make this available for the app.js. Okay.
App.js. Okay.
Now
So we
I
are
am
starting app.js.
yeah, static point is app.js. If I am coming from
Okay.
top from that place, you might not understand. That's why I'm going from where the data is.
Okay. Okay. So okay. Got it. Got it. Yeah, I understood.
Yeah. Now I'm going to take one more function, which is like greetings, where greetings require and greetings.json, right?
Ah,
Now
okay.
I am going to get where greet equal to function console.log greetings.es. So what this
Okay.
will do, this will call the
Greetings,
hola,
Jason.
hola.
Hola. Okay.
This will call greetings.json's property hola.
Okay.
That is the es hola.
Okay.
So and you are going to export this greet. One
Okay.
second here, one second.
Okay.
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 Yeah, fine. Now you are understand, right? Now you are getting
Yes, sir.
this property of es where it is in greetings. But what this variable is calling, it is calling the greetings.json. Right?
Okay.
Yeah, likewise, it is calling, and then you are going to export this greet. So you in the app.js, let us think. I am not going to app.js directly. I just kept here for a pseudocode. What is required now? Now you have a JSON. You have two files. Uh, that file and this file. Okay. This is our app.js. This is like our one more file index.js where you are accumulating the two other modules. So you are going to first where English. I am going to require first English this one, and I am going to require which one Spanish. Okay.
Spanish.
Yeah. Now I am going to export this both English and Spanish, which should be available from the app.js. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah, there is no confusion here. It is simple only.
Yeah, correct. I understood. So basically, we are running app.js where we put all the module.exports.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. It's like a module.export will be having this English, and this English and Spanish, whatever we are declaring here, they are these two, this English and Spanish, whatever the variables we are declaring, they are the
Okay.
values. This
Okay.
isn't,
Once we run this one, once we run the app.js,
if you
can we
run
run
the
it?
app.js, what will happen? It will go and get the greet. First of all, the greet.
Okay.
Yeah, I will show you once. Hold on. If I am running this
Okay.
app.js, what will happen? It will go for the greet folder. In this greet folder, what is the index.js? It is having English and Spanish. Okay. This English and Spanish, the both are the functions, right? So these functions will be called here. This English and Spanish functions will be called from this exports.js, and then they will be used here as they will be called here. For English, it will go and hit this, hit this, and then it will get this value English en. It is not en,
Okay.
which is there in the JSON. Likewise, for the Spanish, it will go for the greetings.js.es, and it will get the value, and it will put it in the here actually. Please read the Spanish. So
Okay.
what you are doing from the app.js, you are going to get get two functions of two different modules with the help of index.js.
Okay.
This file will help you to accumulate the two other properties, and it will bring you the value. It,
Okay.
it, it will bring it will bring you the values of English and the Spanish. Likewise, you will be getting the functions of English and Spanish, and yeah.
Okay.
If you just practice this one, if you have some more doubt also, you can ask.
So you want me to practice now, or
No,
I will take that.
not now, not now. Once you are free time.
Free time I'll do it.
Yeah,
I'll go
yeah.
through the reason and get the created. It will be nice. All the things I will get it created.
Yeah. We will stop the class for till here. I will send you the modules.
Okay.
Yeah, just to go through that and just practice it. We'll be uh, uh, possible. We'll connect in the evening. Else we'll connect tomorrow morning.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. I don't know which zone you are in.
In,
Yeah.
yeah. Evening what time, sir? Evening what time? Your evening?
See, my time is now 9:17 a.m. Almost
Okay.
like 9:20 approximately. So
Yeah.
your evening for us 5 o'clock means Evening for us 5 o'clock means your time as per your time. I will tell you because I have one more support in the afternoon. That day
Okay.
and depends upon that day work. I will tell you whether you are going to collect. If possible, I will collect after 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. In that time I will collect.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
Okay. That should be
Okay.
after
Just share.
as assumption time.
Yeah, yeah. Just share me this video link again, sir. I will go through this.
Yeah,
And
I will send you this one that this one and also this more. I will send you this
okay.
yeah, just go through them.
Yeah. All this models you can give to, and just email it to me, sir. You can email it to me.
Yeah,
Do you
your
have my
voice is
email?
breaking actually. Your voice is coming.
Sorry. Now can you? Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's
Sorry.
fine now.
Yeah. Can you?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. Can you email it to me?
Yeah, I will send you in WhatsApp the zip files as a
Or
zip.
this files on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Or else it's better to email it off, sir. I'll send my email address so that if it is there in email again, I have to send it back to email.
Okay.
I'll send my email.
Okay. Okay. Fine. I will send you to your email. Okay. Okay,
I'll
Bhargav.
send
Yeah.
it. Okay. Thanks. Thanks. Thanks, sir.
Yeah. Done.